Hello guys, welcome to my channel High Five with Shruti. Today I'm going to show you how to make Happy Birds wall hanging. Fold the paper in half and open it again. Dip your brush in paint and scatter it on the sheet. Fold the paper in half again. Rub the sheet to mix the colors together. Open the sheet and let it dry. Use as many colors as you like. Here I have used red, yellow and green. The sheets have dried. Here I have prepared 2 more sheets with different colors. Draw a bird on a sheet and make cutouts like this. Place this bird on the sheet and draw an outline. Now cut out the birds. Glue both the birds together. The bird is ready. Cut a slit in the middle of the body. You can use a plain tissue paper for the wings or paint it using the colors which we used on the bird. Fold the tissue paper like an accordion. Draw eyes and the beak. Insert the folded tissue paper into the slit. Trim the wings if they are too big. Take 2 plastic straws and form a cross. Tape them together. You can decorate your straws as you like. Here I have used thread. Tie the thread around the wings. Tie a loop in the center of the cross. Here I have used seashells. You can use beads or any other decorative items. Attach the birds to the straw. You can attach as many birds as you like in different sizes. Happy Birds wall hanging is ready. Please try this at home. Let's high five.